So hi everyone, for this question we give a piecewise functions here, and we are given that fx is continuous as x equals to 1. So you need to find out the value mn is missing. So knowing that it is continuous, which means that this question you need to solve it forming a continuity equation. Alright, so you need to state out your equation here, which is you, because we already confirmed this is continuous. So at x equals to 1, this is our piecewise function, and on the dot before 1, modulus x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. On the dot 1, mn, more than 1, sub x minus 1 over sub x minus 1 plus n. And we have modulus here. Alright, so modulus x, which one that you should use? Express it in piecewise. One is positive, one is negative. So positive, it will be greater than 0, negative will be less than 0. So since you have less than 1, which means that it is at the left hand side, now we need to define your position of your 0. So 0 at here. So 0 at here, if you have less than it, you use negative x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. If you have more than 0, you use positive x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. So this is how we define our modulus part. So look at modulus part. So, and then you split it into piecewise. So here another piece again. So say this function is continuous at x equals to 1. So our continuity equation, it will be limit for x approaches 1 from the left hand side of the function supposed to be equals to the point f1 equals to limit for x approaches 1 from the right of the function. Alright, so we need to fulfill this equation because it already said it is continuous. From that only we find out the missing value mn. Alright, so for this equation, for this we find it separately one by one. Okay, so I find it, what is your limit x negative 1 from the left hand side. So 1 is here. You can see your 1 is here. And approximate it from the left hand side. So getting near to 1 from the left hand side, it will be the function of x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Alright, so it will not taking the negative because negative, this one is too far away already because it's less than 0, too far away. We want to getting near to 1. So near to 1 will be the function of positive. Simplify this. When I substitute 1, I get IDF. So we simplify and substitute again 1 over 2. So this is left hand side limit. Then what's your f1? Your coordinate f1, we know that it is equals to mn. So later on we do the equation one by one. And then what's your limit from x approaches 1 from the right hand side, which is this sub x minus 1 over the sub x minus 1 plus m. So I'll try to find it first. To simplify this, this is IDF, so we multiply with its conjugate to simplify this third function. Multiply with its conjugate, it will be sub x plus 1 over sub x plus 1. Then plus m. So this one will be a squared minus b squared, and denominator sub x minus 1, and then sub x plus 1 plus m. We haven't simplified anything yet. So some more, simplify some more. You can see x minus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1 power 1 divided by third. So minus 1 over 2, you get power 1 over 2. So lastly, you get third x minus 1 over third x plus 1 plus m. So simplify here. You can see this one, x minus 1, square root x minus 1, they are same. Simplify this. So once you simplify this, you can evaluate the limit again, substitute inside. It will be 0 over 2 plus m. So 0 over 2 plus m is 0 plus m, so m. So lastly, we apply back our equation of continuity. So from here, I know that limit from left hand side is equal to 1 over 2. The point here is equal to mn. And limit from the right hand side, my answer is equal to m. Find out. So here is equation, split it out. 1 over 2 equals to mn, equation 1. And that one mn is equals to m. So here m can be simplified. Equation 2 here. And directly you can get 1. Then we substitute here, n equals to 1. Therefore, m will be equals to 1 over 2. So that's how we get m and n. Alright. We see how to score this. The first one. Finding out. Alright, part by part, can you solve your limit from the left hand side to get 1 over 2. And then your limit from the right hand side also, you need the concept of conjugate. And then you simplify. Alright, so you simplify until this. Then you get your answer is m. Then write the continuity equation here. We have to see you apply the continuity equation here. Write it correctly, and you apply the equation, first one equation. You get two equation here, and you get m1 over 2, n is equals to 1. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so this method is forming the equation. Also referring from your continuity equation, write it correctly here. Okay, so that's all for this.